if we go and do this, I really only got like 30 minutes.
You got it. Big 392.
What's up, guys? We are back with another video, and I just hit a crazy pothole. But we only have 30 minutes to get to Diamond Best Buy, which is across town. So we are going to be flooring it over there, and we are going to be purchasing a Asus ROG Ally. It is a handheld gaming device with a AMD Ryzen processor and also a full screen So stay tuned if you want to see that, but also stay tuned for this ride. Also, everything you see is CGI and computer generated. We got a really good AI team, or a editing team, that does all of this, so just remember that as you see some of this stuff go on. But I've been talking about this Thailand trip for a long time. Me and my girlfriend are going on a super long flight. She's gonna have the iPad. I'm gonna have an Asus ROG Ally, and it is going to be awesome. But in order to be able to get that, look at Grandma trying to get it on. In order to get that, I have to be able to get there in time. So we are on a time limit. If she's older, she's rode hard and put away wet. That wasn't my car that just made that squeaking noise. No, she's riding though. God dang, she quit. But yes, we are on the way. Let me roll up this window so y'all don't hear all of that. We are driving past the famous Black Angus. If you ever come to Anchorage and you need a cheap place to stay, I highly, highly recommend the Black Angus. Also, their steakhouse and bar, 10 out of 10. If you know, you know.
And if you see anything, just know this is a leak for GTA 6.
Yeah, 100%. Cops usually be hanging out right in this bank. Damn, she's drinking her laundry. She's gonna have to rewash that. In Anchorage right now, it is breakup season, so that's why all the snow is melting and it's going right onto the roads, and it's all getting drained out and drained on, and it's really bad right now. But it's my favorite time of the year because that means that winter is over. We are moving on to summer, and summer is going to be awesome. Mara, what kind of stuff do we have planned for this summer? Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam. But that's not what I was talking about. I was talking about our summer car content. What type of content do we got going on? Thailand. Cambodia. Vietnam. No, guys. Summertime in Alaska. There's a couple car meets and a couple car communities. There's an SRT team, Southside Alaska, or South Scene Alaska, and a couple other people. And we are going to try to go see what that's about, how they made it, how do we get involved, all of that type of stuff. I want to see and try to get more involved in the car community this year, especially having a decent car. So, I also am going to I also am going to be doing a whole bunch of motorcycle content. I have a 2016 Harley Davidson Switchback. It's super cool. Maybe we'll mod that thing out, put a new exhaust on it, do a couple other things, but mostly we are going to be riding that sucker this summer. And I didn't get much riding done last year, but this year I am going to change that. Look at this Escalade. I'm not gonna lie, I could do Escalade. Escalade V. Ew. I need this Escalade V to move. Also, if it ever gets super rainy up here and I don't clear it right away, that's because I used to drive this old Mazda. I think it was like a B2600i, and I didn't have windshield wiper fluid, so I learned how to drive looking through the raindrops. But I'm knowing that that's bad for you guys. I wish this could do that. I can't even get over because there's a truck right there. The Toyota Camry's right there. It's a bad situation. Everybody's speed racing. But they're all going the speed limit. Dang, the camera, I should have went with the camera. I just want to yam out on the fucking gas. Oh, that's 8 minutes in the video. And now everybody's in the wrong lane. They don't want to get over and stuff. Like, come on, bro. And again, I just want to reiterate, CGI. I really want to know what kind of cars you guys drive. Dang. Y'all heard that, right? Y'all see what I had? It's not even me. It's not even me. No, I really want to know what you guys drive. Like, what kind of cars are y'all whipping? I know some of you guys are out there driving Lambos and Vets and stuff. That dude's driving a Saturn, and it sounded fucking cool, or freaking sounded cool. But yeah, man, I want to know if you have a 392 Durango or even an RT Durango, what kind of mods are you doing to your stuff? What kind of mods are you doing to your SRTs? Like, I have not done a cold air intake. Does anybody have recommendations for that? Please let me know, man. Drop them all down in the comments below. As you see, we just pulled up to Best Buy. You can see by the blue. I am going to try to run in there real quick and buy me one of these things, and then after that, I'm gonna catch me up or post me up a cool little flick, and we're gonna head home. So I hope y'all enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe. drop some comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Guys, it's us outside of Best Buy, and I just forgot to tell you that it only took us 10 minutes to get here. I thought it was gonna take 30, but it did not. So big SRT won again.